Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to multiply columns in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in the Excel document and want to do this with. So just to give you some context here, we've got some items with the price and then the quantity, and I want to work out the total cost. So what we need to do is multiply the price by the quantity. These two columns, so go and select the seller in the column where you want the answer to be and go and click on the equals key on your keyboard. Go and select one of the cells in the column you want to go and multiply. Then you need to go and put in the asterisk icon. This is for the multiply, and then what you need to do is go and select the other cell in the other column which you want to go multiply. You can then press enter and it's been multiplied, and what you can then do is click, hold and drag in the bottom right of the cell, and you can drag down the entire column to go multiply them all like so.